Keeping Google Play services updated is one of the easiest ways to improve your Android phone's performance, security, and compatibility with the latest apps. In this guide, I'll show you how to update Google Play services in just a few minutes using a simple step-by-step process. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen in the app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Scroll through the Settings menu until you see Apps. On some Android devices, this option may be called Apps and Notifications. Tap it to view all installed applications. Select See All Apps or App Info, depending on your device. Scroll through the list or use the search feature to quickly find Google Play services, then tap on it. Scroll to the bottom of the Google Play services page and tap App Details or App Details in Store. Your phone will automatically open the Google Play Store and take you directly to the Google Play services listing. If a newer version is available, you'll see an Update button. Tap it and wait for the installation to finish. If you only see Uninstall or Deactivate, it means your Google Play services is already up to date. Keeping Google Play services updated ensures better app performance, improved security, smoother syncing, and access to the latest Android features. It's a quick maintenance task that's worth checking regularly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Android tips and guides.